Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming compatibility and your Vodafone Esim entitlement. Make sure your iPhone model and iOS version meet requirements and that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. Once confirmed, open Settings and tap Cellular to start. You'll also need Vodafone's Esim activation info, a QR code or activation code, so have that ready. Back up your iPhone and enable Face ID or a passcode to secure the Esim profile. Now tap Add Cellular Plan. You scan the Vodafone QR code or choose Enter Details manually if needed. This creates the Esim profile on your device. After the profile appears, tap it to label the line so you can distinguish plans. Name one primary or Vodafone. Make sure you set which line is used for cellular data and which for iMessage and FaceTime. Once done, go into Cellular Data Options to confirm LTE and data roaming settings match your Vodafone plan. Make subtle adjustments so calls, SMS, and data routes correctly. You finish by restarting the iPhone to register the Esim on Vodafone's network. This often resolves activation delays. After reboot, confirm the Vodafone label shows signal bars and run a quick test call, SMS, and web page load. If something fails, toggle the new line off and on in Settings Cellular. Wait about a minute between toggles. If problems persist, contact Vodafone support with the Esim exid and your iPhone IMEI so they can reissue or reprovision the profile for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.